Hello, little yogis. Welcome to our fun yoga time. Today we will stretch, breathe, and move our bodies together. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Late night thoughts inside my head, running circles in my bed. Take a breath, the world goes slow. In the silence I can grow. Close my eyes, feel the ground. Peace is somewhere to be found. Breathe in light, let it stay. All the stress just fades away. Step by step, I start to know I am stronger than I show. Find your balance, feel the beat. Heart and breath begin to meet. In this moment I belong. Calm and steady, brave and strong. Every pose a quiet fight, turning chaos into light. Hands up high, reach the sky. Let the heavy feelings fade.